In this video of Flex GUI, we're going to show you how to set up the apt repository, and let's get started. So we'll go over to the documents, installing, install with apt, and the advantage of using that is that when there's an upgrade and you do sudo apt update, it'll automatically prompt you to update Flex GUI. So first thing we do is we'll copy the deb to sources.list with this command. It's going to ask for my password. Okay, now we can check that the command worked properly by pasting this in the terminal. And there it is, flexgui.list. So now, next thing we do is we got to copy the public key onto the PC. And curl is not installed on some OSs, so we'll just install that real quick. And curl is just a program to get things from the internet and copy them. Now we'll run that command again. We'll copy the public key. We'll update app. And we can see it read where Flex GUI is. Upgradable. And so if you have Flex already installed, and this is a newer version, it'll show up in this list, but it's not installed on this PC. It's a fresh Debian install. So we go to the package manager. And type in Flex GUI. There it is. And you just click on the little box, tell it to mark for installation. It'll bring in a few libraries. And you hit apply. Yep. And it downloads the package files. And we're done. We can close the package manager. We can go in the CNC menu. You can see we've got copy Flex examples. We can copy our example files. And yeah, I want to copy them. I'm done. Now we can go run Linux CNC. Go to my configurations. We'll pick an example file out. And there it is, Flex GUI. Enjoy.